Hi guys, this is Lenine, and I'm just going to do a how-to video on how to submit your first assessment task for academic skills for your applied journal through a Turnitin link. So just an FYI, I am using a program called Zoom, which you need to use later in the semester for your final exam. So you'll be able to see for your final assessment. So you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and the screen I'm sharing is the academic skills. So I'm going to just pop you into student mode. This is sort of, the view site's going to look a little bit different for you guys because your view is different to mine as a teacher. But unfortunately, I can't demonstrate how to submit through Turnitin under student mode. So yours might look slightly different, but the whole step-by-step process is the same. So first thing that you need to do is to simply click on the assessment page. And this is where you'll find all the information and all the links for all your future assessment tasks. So the first one we're looking at is applied projects. And what you need to do is you need to create all the assessment tasks that you submit through Turnitin on a Word document. So assume you've completed your 300-word reflection, and we have given you a couple of questions to use as a guide. Don't put them as question and answer, but use them as a guide for your response. So you'll see here there's a view, click and complete button. You actually don't have all the other links in there because they're not available to you yet, but all you need to do is press view and complete, and yours is going to come up here. Now, you need to choose your name that's going to come up. So I'm not in here, so I'm just going to use it as a non-enrolled. So I'm going to type my name. Applied project number 1. Okay, so this is where you don't need to submit a cover sheet, because if you actually read all the information and the disclaimer about this, it's actually saying that by signing this and by submitting it, it's my own work, and I understand that, I can't copy all that sort of stuff. So you can upload from your computer, Dropbox or Google Drive. So I'm just going to choose a random document on my desktop here. Let me just find something exciting. Okay, let me see what I've got. I'll put a picture up. I think it might work in a picture. No, I want to put a document up because we want to see the response. Okay, here we go. Nursing calculation. So I can see that there's the name of my document, and I just press upload here. So this can take some time, and you're actually going to get an image to double check that you've submitted the correct assessment. The amount of times I've seen students who've submitted the wrong assessment. So I can see, and you can double check, yep, that's my assessment task, thank you very much. And then all I do is press confirm. And you'll see that I'll get a copy of digital receipt of this within my document view, and it has all the information about my assessment task. So I'm going to then go, and you can see that I've submitted my assessment task here, and this is where you're going to look out for your similarity index as well, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that in the coming weeks. But remember, you're going to get it as a red, green and amber. Certainly if you've got a red, it's a big alarm bell that says that a large percentage of your assessment may be plagiarised. So have a talk about that with your teachers over the coming week. Hi. So that's how you submit it. Good luck and enjoy.